courage, strength, leadership, bravery. Sheep follow the leader. They follow the herd. They don't know where they are going. Many times they are led to...
Hi, this is Master Dave from John on My Body Combat Academy. I will go through the Chinese kip-up, or the kip-up as it's called. Okay, this is it's not really a martial arts move, it's more of a tricking move, but it's a really stylish way to get up off the ground. Yeah, so when you're on the ground, to kip up, okay, a lot of people think you spring up, but the first thing you do, you want to roll back, yeah? You want to roll all the way back onto your shoulder blades. So you roll back onto your shoulder blades, your arms like this, okay, and this gives you the opportunity to push and kick your legs in an explosive manner. And as soon as you kick, you want to bring your feet as close to your backside as you can. Yeah, and they'll naturally make you land in a crouch. So this is what it looks like. Okay, that is a kip-up executed. Okay, so train hard, fight easy.